This video will help you in understanding string interpolation in Angular. Let's say we have a component template with some static text such as this, image ID 1. In browser, it looks like this. Now this template is not dynamic. What if we get the image ID from a backend server? How can we update it? The answer is string interpolation. In string interpolation, you can bind the text of a component template with a property. Thus, for making the ID dynamic, we first create a property in a component class. Let's say we name it as ID and initialize it to 1. Now in HTML template, instead of a static text, use this property to display the ID. For using a component property in HTML template, write the property name and close within double curly braces as this. This is the syntax of string interpolation. Back in the browser, see, it works. Now go to the component class, change the value of the ID property to 4. Save. Back in the browser, see, the value is updated. Another advantage of using string interpolation is that if you have used this value at multiple places in the template, then with string interpolation, you can control it from one single place in the component class. Thus, using string interpolation, a component can be made more dynamic and flexible. That's it for this video. Like this video if it helped you out.